Good morning, students. Now, in the second module of today, logical sequence of words. Today, we are now discuss the second type sequence of objects in a class or groups. That is from parts to the whole. Now, here we will take again two examples to explain these things. First example is arrange the following in a meaningful order. 1. Family. Second, community. Third, member. Fourth, locality. Now, if we see these four words, they belong to a society, and we have family, community, member, locality. Now we arrange these four words in a sequence order from our common sense or from our basic society. We come to know that member is a part of family, and family is a part of community, and community is a part of locality. That is, in a locality we have community, in a locality we have family, in a locality we have member. Member is the smallest unit, thereafter family is the bigger, community is the more bigger than family, and locality consists of community. So if we go through it very carefully, we will find that member, family, community and locality, they forms the sequential order here. So if we go through the options, first option is 3, 1, 2, 4. Second B 1, 3, 2, 4. C 4, 2, 1, 3. And D 1, 2, 3, 4. And out of these four options, if we see carefully, A is the correct one because member, family, community and locality is our sequential order as we have discussed earlier. So A is the correct answer. Now we come to example number second, is the arrangement of the following in a logical order. Four words are elbow, wrist, finger, palm. Now these are the parts of our body system. Smallest one is finger. Finger is connected with palm, and palm is connected with wrist, and wrist is connected with elbow. So if we go through it very carefully, our sequential order will be like this: finger, palm, wrist and elbow. That is 3, 4, 2, 1. And if we see carefully, A, B and D are not fit because elbow and finger, they are not connected with each other. So is the case with others. If we look at our option towards C, that is 3, 4, 2, 1. Finger is connected with palm, palm is connected with wrist, and wrist is connected with elbow. So C is the correct option. So dear students, we have again discussed today again two examples regarding sequence of objects in a class or a group in a sequential order, that is from ascending order to descending order or descending order to ascending order. But we have to keep in mind that this order should not be break in between. That is why the concentration is on the sequence of objects in a class or group. Thank you.